I re-recorded. We are recording. Hey guys, so in this new video, well, first I just want to say I know I look a little crazy, my hair looks a little wild, but today is wash day and I figured what better time to show you guys about new products than on wash day. I did a video called washing my hair with basically only Dollar Tree not videos, with only Dollar Tree hair products. And a lot of people have watched it, so I was like, well, maybe I just need to like review hair product lines for my natural people, which I don't have a problem with, because little did I know I was gonna love Dollar Tree hair products. And now here I am with nothing but Cantu products. Well, they're in the Walmart bag, but it's Cantu products in here. Whenever I do videos like this, I always try to keep a vlog to it, so if you check out my vlog channel, video in the description below. Video in the description below. It's like little ways for you guys to just follow me around places and see how I do stuff, so make sure y'all go check that out. The Cantu collection is not as big as I thought it was. It's just a lot of different variations of what looks like the same thing, so not really a lot to pick from if you really think about it. I got what I thought was great, and now I'm going to try it. I have this cleansing cream shampoo right here. Apparently it is for natural hair, is sulfate free, and it is a rich lather which removes heavy buildup, and it's a gentle formula. From my experience, I really just don't like using shampoos because of that squeaky cleanness, so hopefully we'll see if this is different. For the conditioner, I got like, I guess the brother of that shampoo, which is this sulfate-free hydrating cream conditioner with no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, or mineral oil. So this is supposed to help retain natural oils, revitalizes healthy hair, hydrated hair, great for natural and colored hair. So hopefully it's like thick enough to where I like it, and if it isn't that thick, because I love like thick conditioners, I also got this deep treatment mask right here. If you guys can see it, yeah, right here. I used to use and buy this product. I just felt like as a hair mask, this wasn't as hydrating as I would like it to be. So now that I started leaving my conditioners in like as my new hair routine, maybe this will be great for that. When it comes to hair care, I'm really into not only conditioners but sprays also. So I got this comeback curl spray right here. I don't know if you guys can see it too clear. I feel like sprays help keep that look, that sheenful, healthy, moisturized look. It helps prolong it is what I'll say. So if you have this spray that's basically claiming it's going to keep them curls together throughout the day, I'm all up for it. I forgot exactly how much these products were. A shampoo and a conditioner was like $5.97, and I think this spray was the same price, and I think maybe this mask was like $7. I really don't know. I'm gonna have to look at the vlog video. You guys can go look at it too in the description. I think I scanned these 4 products first, and I think it came out to like $27 for these fucking 4 products. Wow. I hope I got my receipt so I can take this back just in case I don't like it. But anywho, I think all this came out to like $27 if I'm not mistaken. And if I am mistaken, just know Cantu ain't cheap, because like I said, $5.97 basically for the whole line. The whole line is basically around $6 to $8, $9. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go wash my hair, and then as soon as I'm done washing my hair, I'm gonna come back and give you guys like my first impression of everything, and then I'm gonna come back tomorrow and give you the final impression after everything dries, because I feel like my hair looks best after I sleep on it. So I'm gonna go do that. I'll be back in a second. We back. I don't even know why I was finna say I re-recorded. I see re-recorded. I'm back out the shower, fresh out the shower, with fresh hair, as you guys can see right here. And to be honest, I'm thoroughly not, I don't want to say not impressed, but I'm not like, I see why I never like bought the mask again. So for starters, with the shampoo, I hated that for whatever reason it would not like, I don't want to say lather because it's sulfate free, so it's not supposed to lather. But if it says rich lather removes heavy buildup on the bottle, I'm expecting a lather. So I'm using like, I don't even know how much I use. I use so much of this just to get my hair fully saturated. And it took me 8 minutes to really just detangle my hair with this end. Like, it would lather up for like a quick second, and then as soon as I pull my comb out to like detangle it, the lather is going, the next thing you know, I'm just like trying to pull. I don't think I'm tender-headed, but if I am tender-headed, then that means that I created ways to where I wouldn't know I'm tender-headed until like I use this shampoo. Only reason I know it was 8 minutes long because 2 whole songs played while I was in the shower, and a song is around like 4 minutes average. So yeah, it took me like 8 minutes to finally just get the shit through my head. And then not only that, it left my hair so squeaky. Like, you see how my hair moves right now? If you guys would have saw it in the shower, my hair was basically like stuck in clumps, and it was just like shifting like that, like it wasn't doing nothing. But what I can say is that the conditioner pulled through. If anything impressed me out of like this whole Cantu haul line, it would be the conditioner, because I used like I would say 2 quarter size amounts, and literally it did the job. Like, it made my hair feel as if I didn't do nothing to it other than like co-washed it. But it doesn't even feel like my hair was like brittle and dry at one point before using the conditioner. Another thing perfect about the conditioner is that it wasn't too thick and it wasn't too thin. So when it came time for me using this mask, all I really needed, if anything, these two seem like the same exact product. It just seems as if this is like a little bit lighter, whereas this one here is more thick. Like, it's a thicker consistency, I guess, because it's a mask. So once I applied this, then I had took a little smash, like a little smudge of this, and just distributed it around my hair to like just seal all the moisture and stuff in. And then the only thing different that I did to my hair is that I had put in my what's it called, in the purple bottle, my Shimmer Lights conditioner, only because, you know, I like that little purple hint that I don't wash out. So if you guys want a video, then, you know, I already made a video, so I don't know why I'm asking that. So yeah, that's the only thing I did different, just to give my hair back that purplish tint, that purple gray tint that everyone is used to. I tried using the spray just to like, I don't know, just spray it. I don't even know why I even tried using it. But I already gonna tell I'm not gonna like this, because the way this sprays out, it's like a jet. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a jet rather than like a fine mist or something similar to a mist. So when I was spraying it, it was just hitting like direct part. It was basically hitting my damn scalp, to be honest. But anywho, so I'm going to let this dry. I have a probate to attend to, so I just wanted to look good with some washed hair. So yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow after it has fully dried and after I slept on it, because I always feel like my curls look the best after they're slept on. And then I'm gonna give you guys my final verdict if I'm feeling it or not. But right now, I'm not really feeling it. Only thing I'm feeling are the conditioners. That's really it. So we shall see the final verdict tomorrow. So boom, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back again officially. So it is the next day, and the final verdict, low-key, is that I don't know. I'm not really feeling it, but I don't know. My curls are like popping, kinda. If you guys could feel it, my hair feels kind of hard. And not only that, when I went out yesterday, when I washed my hair, so many people looking at my hair, they're like, oh my god, your hair looks cool, and then they touch it, it will feel like kind of hard. And then I can hear people saying now, oh, it's because you have all that product in it. My thing is, baby, I'm very light when I use new products, and because like I don't know how they work. So being that the products that I use on a regular basis don't like make my hair feel hard, then I don't feel like there's an excuse for another brand to have my hair feeling hard. I don't... To say that I'm not thoroughly all that impressed by it, it's the truth. I feel like I got better results with my Dollar Tree hair products. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I feel like my curls, I don't feel like they look like curls, really. Like, I feel like my hair looks flat, like right here. And then, not only that, it, like, I don't have, it's like hard. I don't know how to explain it, but, like, look at this. Look at this piece. Like, it's just one hard piece. I don't have no volume or anything, and I don't want nobody saying, oh, it's because you slept on it. No, it's not because I slept on it. I've been doing my hair the same way for like years, and I know when a product works for me and when it doesn't work for me. And Cantu doesn't work for me. My hair is like kind of flat, like I don't I don't know. I don't know if it's like that because the shampoo kind of like fucked up my pH balance or something. This comeback curl spray, I'm not into it at all. Like, I tried to get into it, but like, look. Like, it sprays in that jet form. And I don't like that because then it's only hitting certain spots rather than like misting all over my hair. I'm gonna try to see if I can switch this top. If I can't, then it's gonna sit on the shelf. Well, it can't sit on the shelf because I can't take it back because I lost the receipt. So if you want some Cantu products, then hit my line. But anywho, so that's my review of the Cantu line. I'm not thoroughly impressed by it. If you guys are fans of Cantu, then let me know if I should try something different. Or if you aren't a fan of Cantu, let me know why so I know I'm not by myself. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Vuggotta, the same way it is spelled somewhere on this screen. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I can't talk, god damn. I think my secret to like really keep it, I'm dropping shit even when I'm trying not to drop shit. Oh my god. I don't know. I guess I'm not in love with this line. I'm sorry, Cantu. I'm sorry, Cantu. I'm not sorry. I didn't make these products. Y'all made them.